Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm going to be sewing the Salvia Seascape Thompson & Morgan. These are the instructions. Just try and get it a little bit. These are the instructions. Striking borders, adding grace and height, bedding displays, long lasting. It says here, so March, April, May, sorry. But because I've got a heated greenhouse, I'm going to sew these early, so hopefully they turn out fine. Thompson & Morgan, so I'm going to be sewing those. I'm going to be sewing these snapdragons, two different types. That's circus clowns, and then this one is called frosted flames, and then two lots of cosmos. There we go. Tetra Versailles mixed and gazebo mixed. So I'll just set up the camera here. Sorry about this, everybody. 2 seconds. So yeah, there we go. Sorted. I've already got the name tags sorted. So first of all, piece of wood, cut it same size as your tray or container, and just give it a tap down once it's in there. And I've damped it off a little bit because this compass is really dry. And I've got two lots of snapdragons, my salvia at the end, and then my cosmos. Once it's done like that, you want to open your seed packets. I don't know if these will be any good because I've had these a couple of years, these, so give them a tap so you can see those. Really fine. So snapdragons, here, there we go. Give them a good knock out, make sure you get every single one. The other snapdragons, hopefully these will be a bit better condition. Hopefully, fingers crossed. Well, they will be if I've got any seeds. So hopefully she use those. Right, so not as many snapdragons as I wanted. So right, salvia. There's the growing instructions. You can see. That's a picture. Beautiful plant. So yeah, looking like so. It says we have got how many seeds? Did it say? I have just ripped how many seeds there is. Here we go. Seeds. 50 seeds, so I'll sew all of them. Let you have a look at these. Yeah, I'm using a peat-based compost before I forget. It's got 6 weeks worth of feed in it, so it's really good for starting seeds off. There you go, there the seeds. So try and spread them out as much as you can. I don't like 50, but they never does. And when they say there's so many seeds in a packet, you think, yeah, right. But it doesn't look like there's 50 there to me. That's those sown. Right, the cosmos now. I can take that out actually, because then I can use it big area from the cosmos. Spread them out as much as you can. A lot of these will be going to my allotment. I might keep a few for my garden here, but I'm having flowers and vegetables in my allotment this year, so I'm really looking forward to it. But I'm running out of space here. I'll show you in a minute. That's all of those. Right, that's all those done. Always keep your seed packets and always mark the day that you're sowing them. Keep a date of everything. Right, that's all them sown. So all you need to is get a little bit of vermiculite or seed compost, and then just like so. Give them a little cover, not too deep. A little bit of water, and then all you do with these is just put them in a sink, or I've got a tray, half fill it with water, leave them for an hour just to soak everything up, take them out, drain them, and then put them somewhere warm. I'm going to put them in one of my heater propagators. A warm windowsill will be fine, so if anybody wants to work, that will be fine. So yeah, that's sewing salvia, cosmos and snapdragons. If you've got any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sewing, happy growing. Oh yeah, and by the way, yeah, let me show you, I'm running out of space. Really, I'm running out of space here. so I might have to get some more grow lights, some LED ones, and make some more benches up. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.